Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the BHDrvx64.sys blue screen error if you are receiving on your computer. So this pertains to a corrupt system driver, so the bash driver, which is also known as the driver, and this could be a common issue that occurs as the result of a corrupted driver. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be, if you have Norton Antivirus or any of their family of products installed in your computer, I will recommend uninstalling it guys and see if that help. And if that doesn't help, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, opens up command prompt, click on run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type sfc space slash scannow, press enter guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will fix the corrupted files in your computer. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification base of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys. So kindly wait until this 100% done. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC guys. Hopefully your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.